Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year. How are you all doing? So today we are going to tie a trendy gele style. It's a ruffles gele, so watch carefully. Measurement is 50-50. You're going to take 8 pleats, place at the back and bring forward, then you cross. Guys, please try as much as you can to watch to the end. There's an announcement coming up, so just watch till the end. Thank you. Now we are going to arrange the pleats properly before we cross and ensure that your V is at the center. Now, after we are done crossing, we are going to pick a pleat and pin down to the base. So just watch carefully. You do that on both sides. When you're done with that, you start taking your fan-like pleats. Now, this gele, the process looks like the two-sided fan gele. You understand? But with a ruffles you get, so it's not necessarily a fan, but it takes that process. Then the up part is the ruffles, so watch carefully so that you don't miss any step. Now, when we are done pinning to the base, we are going to start taking our elevated pleats. So watch carefully. You take small at the bottom, big on top. That's how you're going to do until you've exhausted the fabric. For this particular one that I'm doing right now, I took 5 pleats. So if your material is bigger, you can take more than 5. You understand? When you're done, you pin, since you're making do with a mannequin head. But if you're doing it on someone's head, you give it to your assistant to hold. There's no need for you to pin it, or you can even tell your client to hold it for you. Then you go ahead to repeat the same process on the other flap. Ensure that the pleats that you're taking are equal, 5 on the left hand side, 5 on the right hand side. And it should be small at the bottom, big on top. Don't forget that. What I'm doing right now, I'm just checking if everything is okay and equal. You get, so ensure that you do that also. Now, can you see we've done the neat look? Now you go ahead to start making your ruffles on top. For this particular one, I'm going to bend the front part down, then begin the ruffles at the back. Now take note, you can start with your ruffles before even doing the fan-like look. That's the elevated pleats that we took. There are two ways to do it. You can, once you're done pinning down, that's after you've made your base and you've taken a pleat to pin to the base. After that, you can just start picking your ruffles, you get. But since this is for beginners, just do it the way you've seen, then you start making your ruffles. You're still going to get the same outcome, so don't forget that. Now I'm not going to dwell so much on the ruffles part because there's a full tutorial on how you can make ruffles, so you go check the video out. I'm going to leave a link in the description box. That's if you don't know how to do your ruffles gele already, you can go and get proper teaching, proper tutorial on that. Now ensure that when you're making your ruffles, it's of the same length. One should not be higher than the other, and when you're done, you pin both together. So watch carefully and see how I do it. Can you see our gele is taking shape? We are almost done. We are like 70% done. You pin together, ensure everything is in order, then you go ahead to cover the back and do finishing touches. Do not forget your finishing touches. So if you've stayed up to this extent, please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment and share my videos. Good news, guys, we've gotten to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support, for all your love and every I appreciate. I'm so grateful. So since we've marked our 1,000 subscriber count, I'm going to do, it's kind of like a giveaway, but it's going to be a physical class here in Port Harcourt, you get. So if you're in Port Harcourt, I'm going to leave a WhatsApp number that you could contact. You just say you're from YouTube, you're interested in the physical class. So it's going to be a 3 days physical class. When you've sent a message to the WhatsApp, you're going to get further details of the date and everything that you need to know. That's a way of me giving out and saying thank you. Then now, for those that are not in Port Harcourt, but you have somebody that you think is going to benefit from this class, you can tell the person to send a message to, you understand. But please don't forget to tell them to subscribe. You understand? Let's keep growing into a very big community. So guys, that's the announcement. A 3 days physical class, physical gele training. I look forward to getting your messages. Although it's first come first serve, you understand. I'm going to take only 5 people. So don't sleep on it. You understand. Any which ways, we've gone ahead to start the process of covering the back. Please ensure that when you're doing it, you do it properly and it should be neat, you get. Okay, now so we are like 90% done with our gele. We are going to make finishing touches, ensure that everything is in place, everything is beautiful, okay, and in order. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. Look at our beautiful gele. Very classy, neat, and beautiful. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you guys. Bye.